Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run your GitHub project in the Intellij editor. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to open your IDE, which is Intellij in our case, and make sure that you have this URL here. So we are just going to copy this URL to clipboard and basically now you will be needing just to go to your Intellij. And when opening your project, it will be similar to this. And it is basically similar to uh, PyCharm since it is for from the JetBrains company. And then you can just go to my new project and basically you can start getting it from GitHub. And whenever you are opening your Intellij without opening any project, you will find these options. You can get from a version control. So you will need just to go to the get from version control option, and basically you need just to go to repository URL and you paste the one that you have just copied. Otherwise, you can simply go to GitHub and log in into your account, and basically it can fetch all your projects, and then you can choose from them. You can choose any option that fits you, and basically then you will need just to press enter or click clone. You will find this at the bottom of the page, and basically it will import all your project, and from there you will be able to start running it or do whatever you like. So in my case uh, this is PyCharm, and I did the same steps as for the Intellij since they are the same IDE. This one is for Python, specifically for Python, and here you can simply start running your project by right clicking on your main py or your main file or your build, and basically as you can see here there is this git. You can start controlling your version, you can run or do whatever you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.